I'm attorney Nick Alcock. I'm here in Phoenix, Arizona. We get calls all the time. People are very concerned about the different types of DUI cases. And Arizona has a radical number of DUI cases, and basically they range from misdemeanor DUI all the way up to extreme and aggravated DUI. So let's walk you through the process, help you understand exactly what it is that you're facing. If you have a first offense DUI, let's say it's just a misdemeanor, you've never been in trouble before, there's no accident, there's nothing unusual about the case, and your blood alcohol level is between a 0.08 and a 0.15. Well, that means you're charged with a first offense misdemeanor DUI. It's not a felony, and typically you're facing 1 or maybe a couple days in jail. Let's say that your license is suspended while you're driving. You could then face an aggravated DUI, which is a felony. It's a class 4 felony, and typically people who are charged with aggravated DUI face 4 months in prison. So it's a completely different case, totally different charge, and the only factor to really take into consideration is whether or not your license is suspended. So most of the time the prosecutors charge aggravated DUIs when the suspension was due to a prior DUI, but they can proceed even if the suspension is for some other reason. Then if we want to look at the misdemeanor DUIs, there's DUI between 0.08 and 0.15. That's a regular DUI. Then there is extreme DUI, 0.15 to 0.20, and super extreme, which is 0.20 and above within 2 hours of driving. The amount of jail time that you face for the extreme and super extreme goes up enormously, and there have been a lot of changes in the law, and the amount of jail time that you actually wind up getting can totally vary depending on whether or not you get home detention or whether or not you get an interlock device installed. But the law requires at least 30 days for an extreme DUI and 45 days for a super extreme DUI. There is a way to do some of that time through home detention and electronic monitoring, and there is also a way to reduce that time if you get the interlock device installed in your car for first offense cases. Second offense cases, all bets are off, and the time shoots up through the roof. So a first time DUI with a prior becomes 30 days. A second time super extreme DUI can be 6 months in jail, and extreme DUI can be 120 days in jail. So we're talking about a real enormous increase in the amount of jail time that you're facing if you have a prior. For an aggravated DUI, those DUIs are lifetime eligible, which means that if you had an aggravated DUI in 1980 and you get another one today, you're facing a second offense aggravated DUI. Instead of 4 months in prison, you're looking at 2.5 years, 4.5 years. All bets are off, and it's a completely different ballgame if you have an aggravated DUI prior. So I hope this video helps you understand that there are a number of different ways you can be charged with DUI. There is misdemeanor DUI, there are aggravated DUIs for license suspension, and there are aggravated DUIs for having a minor under the age of 15 in the car with you that otherwise would be a misdemeanor. I know that it's very confusing. I know that there's a lot of information out there. The best thing that you can do for yourself is just give us a call, free consultation right over the phone, have your charging document in front of you, your ticket, and we can walk you through what you need to know. Our number is 602-989-5000. That's 602-989-5000. My name is Nick Alcock. I'm happy to speak with you over the phone. You can also text me at 602-568-2000. Just shoot me a text. I'd be happy to answer any question that you send over to me. So thank you very much for watching. Hope that we can help you.